we have learned how to solve the word problems using addition and subtraction. We know that there are several names for addition like altogether, in all, total, put together, plus, sum of, and many other names as well. So when we see any of these in a word problem, it means that we need to add. So we have a word problem here which says in a stadium 250 people went to watch a cricket match on a Saturday and 195 people went to the stadium on Sunday. What is the total number of people who went to the stadium on these 2 days? So what is the question? The question is, what is the total number of people? So when we have a word like this, what is the total number of people? That is, I need to find what is the number of people who went to the stadium on Saturday and Sunday put together. This means that I need to add these two. So first I write down what is given in the question. What is given? 250 people went to watch the match on Saturday. So the first thing we write is number of people who went on Saturday is 250. So 250 is what is given in the question. Number of people who went on Saturday. What is given next? 195 people went to the stadium on Sunday. So number of people who went on Sunday is 195. So the number of people who went on Sunday is 195. Now what do we need to find? We need to find the number of people who went to the stadium on these 2 days. So total number of people who went on both the days is equal to the number of people who went on Saturday plus the number of people who went on Sunday, that is this plus this. Now what is the number of people who went on Saturday? 250. So this is 250 plus number of people who went on Sunday, which is 195. So 195. So 250 plus 195. Now I need to add this. So I add 2, 5, 0 and 195. Now I need to add the ones digit with the ones digit, tens digit with the tens digit, hundreds digit with the hundreds digit. So 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 9 is 14. So I write 4 here and 1 is carried. 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 1 is 4. So the answer is 445. So this is the answer. So 445 people went to the stadium on both the days combined. This is the total number of people who went to the stadium on Saturday and Sunday. So 445 is the answer. Now let us look at another word problem. 295 students from Delhi and 379 students from Kolkata participated in a painting competition. How many students have participated in the painting competition from both the cities? So there are some students participating from Kolkata and some students participating from Delhi. And we need to find how many students have participated from both the cities. That is combining both the cities or putting together both the cities. So what do we need to do? We need to add these two. And what is the first step? The first step is that we need to write what is given to us. What is given? The number of students from Delhi is 295 because 295 students from Delhi. What is given next? 379 students from Kolkata. So the number of students from Kolkata is equal to 379. This is what is given. Next we write what is asked in the question. So what do we need to find? How many students have participated in the competition from both the cities? So number of students who have participated, or the total number of students who have participated, will be what? It will be this plus this. So number of students from Delhi plus number of students from Kolkata. Now this number is given to us as 295 and this number is given to us as 379. So this is what we have, 295 plus 379. Now let's add these. So 295 plus 379. Now what is 5 plus 9? 14. So I have a 4 with 1 carry. 1 plus 9 is 10 and 10 plus 7 is 17. So I write 7 here with 1 carry. Now 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 3 is 6. So the answer is 674. So 674 is the answer. So the total number of students who had participated in the painting competition is 674. So this is how we can solve word problems using addition. In these word problems, we saw that the numbers given were all 3-digit numbers. So the method of solving the word problems remains the same. We first write the given and then we write what do we need to find. We need to decide whether we need to add the given quantities or subtract them, and then we perform the respective operation. The difference is that over here the numbers are 3-digit numbers and we can easily add them because now we know how to add the 3-digit numbers. So practice more and more word problems having 3-digit numbers.